Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 8 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to finish the kitchen. And as you can see, we already have a handle and we added some lights on the backsplash. So now we're going to continue working on the level 1 because I want to add in the entertainment system here, or entertainment area. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to select this and then drag it and move it to this location. So that we could view this area right here, and then we could build in our model. So I'm just going to move this one a little bit in the front so that there's nothing showing here. So it's just a complete blank wall right here. So I'm gonna push this all the way to the right side so that we have enough view and nothing is obstructing. So now what we're gonna do is go to architecture, click here, model in place, and then generic model. And then press OK. And what we're going to do is we're going to create our back extrusion. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this extrusion, pick a plane, and we're going to select this wall right here. And all this wall would be covered with our entertainment system. So what I'm going to do is we're going to extrude it only around 10. And then the back will be a different wood material. And then we're probably going to add in maybe a stone. So first we're going to do wood. And we're going to use 28. Apply OK. And then select it here all the way to the end right there. You can do 5 here, there's not a problem with that. And then click finish, and then as you can see we can even pull this one down because we know that 200 thickness of the floor will be added later on, so that's why around 2800 is perfect. And then after that, create an extrusion again, but we're gonna pick the plane, but this plane, this wall right here, make sure everything is selected so that you know that it's selecting the plane that's in front of you. So after that, I'm going to add a cabinet here, probably maybe an open cabinet and then a closed cabinet here. So for the open cabinet, I'm going to add something like this all the way down, and then offset 25, and then make sure to click on so that it shows in the front. And then after that, I'm gonna put in this one as well right here without an offset. And then I'm planning to add a TV around here. So we have this cabinet right here, maybe 400 each, or we could put in 850. And then here it's around 950, and then the thickness, and then of course we're going to have some lines here going across and then in the middle as well, and then another across and then another across. So that's good. Draw axis and then 25 offset. there, and then over here. We can do another one like that. This one is too big, so we could stretch it out a bit, and then we add in another one here. So copy, and then add it there. I want the lower part to have a bigger size, and this one just leave it like that. And then SL, we're going to cut geometry so that we can see where everything will be, and then we'll be able to trim and extend on those parts. So now trim and extend, SL again on this part right here, and then trim and extend here. There we go. Delete this. Trim and extend here. Trim and extend here as well. And then here we forgot to slice it in. Trim and extend. And then delete this small line here. DR, trim and extend. And then there we go. We have everything like that. So click on finish. Look at it at 3D so that everything looks good. And then we need to expand it a little bit because it's too thin there. So at least somewhere like that. That is perfect enough. So I'm good with the way that looks. We could edit extrusion if you want to know the proper depth, but I'm good with just looking at it and then distinguishing how it will be the look of the depth. So after that, we're just going to create this extrusion right here. Actually, so create extrusion, pick a plane, and then we just need to create the cabinets here, and then this will be 5 as well, or we could put it to 10 for the thickness, and 10 is the offset. And then here we just need to divide this one to what we want. We can even put all the way down and then divide like that. And then we can do offset 10 again. There we go. And then here SL as well. And then the one in the middle as well. So now TR, trim and extend all of this. And then we need another one here. TR. And then another one here as well. Okay, and then 3R, and then here we need to add it as well, and then all the way right here is needed as well. And then let's just check which one are we haven't, and then we could just clean it up now. Then delete this part. Finish, and then let's go to 3D to look at how it looks, and that looks pretty much good. I'm happy with the way it looks. Go back to section, and then now we need to add some decorative pieces as well. I want a mantle, a small mantle right here. So I'm gonna do like an extrusion, and then pick a plane. Make sure this is the wall, not the wall, but the back of this. And then we need to change the material to one of the stone material right here. So I'm gonna use marble at the back. I'm gonna use this stone. Apply OK, and then I'm going to add a simple mantle right here. Click finish. Before that, around 300 is good enough. Click finish, go to 3D and see how it looks. That's fine with me. I'm happy with that. Go back to section and create another one, and select pick a plane, and then we need to add another one. It will be the, I want it to be the marble. What I'm gonna do first is go to stone, and then marble, pull it up, apply OK, and then for the marble I want it all the way right here. Click finish, and then go to 3D to see it. I want to see it with the realistic material, and that looks good right there. And then we could place in the TV, so go to insert. So let's finish this first. Go to insert, load family, and go back here, go to specialty equipment. Actually it's not here, but usually it's in the tables and chairs. Let's go to furniture. It's right here, flat screen. Click open, type in CM, and then add it just facing the wall, or just beside the wall, and then go right here, select this one, uncheck this one so that it doesn't have a stand, so it disappears right there, and then we could just move it around like that, and we could change the size of it. So there's different sizes that we could do. Of course, we could even make it different, so we could edit this one, and then we could change the size here. So we can make it bigger, and like that. Just like that, we have a bigger one, bigger TV. So now let's look at it at 3D to see how it looks. As you can see, very simple, but it makes a big difference. What we can do is we can add in some lights around here to make it nice So we could go back to section and then select this one, edit in place, and then create an extrusion, pick a plane, and then select this wall right here, and then change it like that. So 5 is good enough, and then we can add the luminaire. Luminance actually, and then press OK, and then select this one right here. And then here, after that, make it offset 5 as well, and then go click on the spacebar to change orientation, or the way it is. And then before that, let's add in one more here. And then make it 5. So click on finish and then finish. And just like that, once we're in Twinmotion, we're gonna set it to a light material for that one, and then it will glow very nicely. So that's good right there. We have an open, and then we have a close, and then we could actually add in more features there by adding. So I'm just gonna extend it, push it back a little bit, and then we could add in some decorative pieces here, and it will look realistic. We can add in some books on this side, so that's good. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.